HGTV, like this wall just disappears, right, Mike?
Yeah.
Yo.
What's
Welcome
happening?
to the new Jesus Screws house.
Uh-oh. We're real fancy out here, right?
Yeah, we're in Richboro, baby. Named after the block.
Yeah. Named after rich people.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
Welcome to the newest house.
okay, what we got going on in here? Entry room?
Yeah, we got a nice seat to go up and down the stairs.
That's about $1,200 sitting there.
It literally is. No, $12,000.
$12,000, I mean.
Yeah, it literally is about $12,000. The guy left the receipt.
There you go.
So you got the oldest Jew with screw bought his next house, or his house, my personal house, but it was an old person's house, as you can probably tell.
Yeah.
Mikey Plumbs is here to help me fix it up real nice.
All right, let's get the tour.
Yeah, nice foyer entrance. We got the parquet floors. It's like the garden up in Boston right now.
Closet thing.
Mm-hmm. The nice dining room, living room, sitting room.
And these windows have all been replaced, right?
Yeah, all these windows are real nice, and then
Nice freaking blinds.
yeah, these I think Lon calls them the Bermuda blinds. I
Yeah.
think.
Built.
They're really nice, really really smooth, really nice. They pop open, pop closed.
We got carpet going on in here right now.
Yeah, this carpet's pretty gnarly.
This is a pretty big room right off the entry room and right off the kitchen.
Yeah, I mean they have like a sitting area over here, dining area over here. You know, the majority of this project for the beginning is not really going to be down here, but we will do some really nice stuff down here. I'm excited. So Mike's going to help me blow holes in the walls and all types of fun stuff.
Yeah, we haven't decided on the layout here yet.
You know, HGTV, like this wall just disappears, right, Mike?
Yeah, yeah, just knock it down.
Right. So come through the back way of the kitchen.
Yep, and this is the entry room there. So
Yeah.
you see we're in the kitchen now.
So this
A little outdated,
yeah,
a little bit.
just a little bit. I don't know what like the designers of this house were thinking with this kitchen, but I mean, I guess it's kind of like the way they had it set it up was like eat-in kitchen, and then I mean, I guess it's not the worst thing in the world. You have like a countertop, your sink, and then stove. It's I don't know. It feels weird. I don't know why it feels weird, but it feels weird. Obviously, super outdated. They did leave this super nice freezer.
That's groovy.
Well, freezer fridge, I think actually. It's like kind of it can be one or the other.
There you go. What we got right here? Breaker 999. Oh, we got the AM FM included with the. Is this telecom or is this just AM FM?
I think it's for
Door speaker.
Yeah, we got door speaker. It's for when Hugo cries upstairs.
Yeah.
You can talk to him.
That can stay. All right, so where are we going now? I guess
Now
the
we're going
living
downstairs.
room.
So yeah, I guess this would be considered like the living room, like TV room.
Yeah.
Den. This house is what they call a split level. The design of the house was called the Capri. We found out. You know, the previous owner had a TV down here. He has like a surround sound. He still kind of left some of it actually.
Back door here.
Back door, and then mechanicals in this closet over here.
What we got for utilities up in this joint already?
Oh, we got it's all electric everything.
Electric heat pump. Electric backup.
Yeah.
We got a 80-gallon electric water heater that's leaking. Started leaking the day before settlement.
Day before settlement.
Hey, we call that a credit.
Yeah, we got a little bit of money back for that one.
And then we got crawl space underneath here.
You got a better shot of the crawl space from over here.
Yeah, so we come over here. This is another little closet and crawl space, and they just put a radon system in. I guess you don't get cancer from that. I don't know if it's true or not, but we'll go from there.
The people that lived here before lived here for like 30 years.
Yeah,
and then put it in right before they sold it. They're like 89.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good.
Okay.
What we got over here? Powder room.
Powder room.
Nice little powder room off the living room.
Left me a nice picture of a flower.
Groovy. Can't get that yellow toilet no more.
Yeah, we're saving the toilets.
Yeah. Oh, that's the powder room. And then what we got
up here, I'll just point out this is like the split level design is kind of like this, like, you know, you kind of walk in.
Got
it's
these
just
other steps.
These quick steps, right? So this is the foyer, so it's kind of two entrances to get back into that area. And down here we have what can be considered the mud room / laundry room. So over here we have washer and dryer. We got some heavy duty link control happening.
Yeah, heavy duty dryer pump.
Yeah.
Motor.
But you know, this is.
It could be a nice little workout room or just whatever, little closet right there.
Yeah, this is a little closet. And then we walk out to a nice 2-car garage.
Beautiful space.
Yeah, it's real nice.
What we got happening up here?
Yeah, that was the ticket for this house.
The pan's leaking in the shower.
Yeah, we got a nice discount on this house because the master bathroom we'll see in a minute is leaking through into the garage. So.
Well, we figured all these houses in Richboro anyway were all outdated bathrooms anyway, so we're going to demo it anyway.
We're going to demo it anyway, so
Yeah.
you know what? Might as well
Give us a discount. We got a 200 amp panel.
That's right.
Probably original.
It's 200 amp. Everybody keeps thinking it's 100 amp.
Yeah, it's just
so
a real
tiny.
not a lot of spaces in there.
It's good. We're already upgraded. A lot of the houses in this neighborhood are oil heat. There was a natural gas moratorium because of some explosion back in like the 60s or something.
Nah, it's like 70s, 80s
Yeah,
ish.
this house I think was built in 1977, and in this neighborhood they refused to build gas or use gas for the utilities, so everybody has oil. The guy that owned this before me, in my opinion, smartly switched it from oil to electric. So, you know, the oil might.
Oil tank's already gone.
Oil tank's gone. We're good to go. Then we walk upstairs to the. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath house. Square footage wise, it's not listed that large, but it's actually. I mean, I feel like it's a pretty big house.
Yeah. Well, the square footage on split levels, anything below the front door, according to appraiser, is not listed as living space. Right. I mean, square footage. Right. Still listed as a room, but not listed as square footage.
Right.
So
this is the smallest bedroom. There's not a lot of light. We'll see if I can convince Mikey to help me put some like LED wafer lights up in these things, because these rooms have no light in them.
Yeah, they're meant for all. I mean, one of these outlets in here, it controls off this switch.
Yeah.
So that's how they used to do it back in the day. They plug a lamp in, and then you control it off the switch.
Right.
We ain't doing that no more.
Yeah, it sucks. We might have to do some rearranging this room with the master to try to expand our master closet, which we'll see in a minute. Linen closet, nothing fancy.
Yeah.
In here, this is technically the master bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom. It's not massive. Closet's not spectacular. It's okay. We're gonna see if we can do something to expand it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough.
I mean, it's a pretty nice sized master. You get a nice bed in here as it is, but like they got 2 other closets over here that are.
Yeah, it's kind
of. I don't know what the hell is going on. And then
this is the ticket for the discount.
This is the bathroom that's leaking down below the garage.
Somewhere in here.
Probably a lead pane or a copper pane or something that's leaking.
He leaking.
So, and then like Rich was saying, we got to redo this whole setup. Maybe get a double vanity.
I love this right here. This fake.
Yeah, nice stick-on subway tile. That costs a lot of money. So we're gonna try to figure out what we can do with getting rid of these closets, maybe building another one somewhere, making the bathroom bigger, blah, blah, blah. You know, we got some rearranging here.
And that's the primary project that we're gonna do to start this house is the upstairs. So we don't actually have to move in here until December. And we're gonna try to get the upstairs done before we actually move in here for real. And that means both.
Well, talk about your house you're in now.
Right.
Like the lady bought it off you, but you, in your agreement of sale, you said you can rent it back until, talk about that.
Right. So we came up with a contingency. It's called a lease back addendum, where we sold the house to a woman. She is willing to let us continue living there until December 1st for X amount of money per month. We took a haircut on the price to get a little bit of flexibility. And by doing that, we were able to relieve ourselves of a mortgage, have a lot more money in our pocket to go make a purchase.
And you were able to get pre-approved for more too.
And we could get pre-approved for more. And it also is buying us time to do a little bit of renovation. So worst came to worst, we would have had to move in here and do the renovation while we're living here. But the way it's working out, we're gonna be able to live at our house down in South Philly. We're down by the stadiums, if you know where that is. And then work up here during the weekends and the week for the next couple months, and hopefully get the upstairs at least done so that the bathrooms work, the bathrooms are redone, and then we'll move in here. And as we're living here, we'll have to do the kitchen and the downstairs and all that fun stuff. So,
yeah.
And as you can see, this bathroom is straight out of 1977.
Nice. You ain't getting that sold no more either, okay?
No, these colors, man.
This is the only window in the house they didn't replace.
Yeah, really.
We'll have to do something. Maybe we'll do something about that. It's beautiful.
Is there like a plumbing form I can go and put these toilets on so that when guys like you need like a special colored toilet?
No, we just need the tanks. We keep the tank lids.
Right, the tank
If we ever break it, you can't order it.
Right.
You gotta buy them a new toilet.
Right.
So
again, same problem. Mike keeps reaching for the switches. Oh,
right,
they got a little lamp.
There you go. That's the switch.
That's the switch, but you know it kind of stinks because there's no light in here unless you put lamps in. Believe it or not, my house in South Philly, even though it's only 15 years old, has the same problem. It's kind of annoying, but anyway, so small little bedroom. You know, probably Hugo's bedroom. I got a little closet over here, but that's all right. It's good.
Yeah, and then check the base trim out. What is this, like 1.5 inches thick?
It's so small.
That was the style back then.
Yeah.
And then this is
gonna
our
be
fourth.
A lot of fun. What were you talking about? These are only 3-inch jams.
Yeah, these are 2x3 walls, I believe. So
Yeah, so that's gonna be interesting to try to replace these doors.
it's always annoying.
And then last bedroom, it's probably about the same. It feels like it's about the same size as that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a nice bedroom.
Another closet. This backs up to the bathroom, so we might be stealing part of this closet, or we might, we don't know yet.
So let's go back downstairs. A nice, beautiful yard out front. You know, I'm used to South Philly, nice tiny yard, and this is going to be nice to convert to a nice big open yard.
Nice driveway too.
Yeah, nice big driveway. It's been repaved recently.
Not a lot of junky landscaping.
Right.
Clean canvas.
Yeah, so that's kind of something that I personally liked about this house was it's a clean canvas, right? We're gonna be able to do whatever we want. We don't have to worry about taking out all types of other
Landscaping, bushes and stuff.
The outback is nice, beautiful, big yard. Yeah, there's the garage. But we'll get to do whatever we want out here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very simple right now, but I think we'll either build like a nice short deck or maybe just do all brick pavers or something. We'll do something real nice out here.
And you got a nice
Shed
too.
Yeah.
And then a nice sized lot. How big's this lot?
I think it's just under half an acre.
Okay, that's big. We don't have to do something about this brown. Or what color is this? Maroon?
Yeah, I know. I'm not a fan of the color of the siding or the roof.
And then this guy decided to pipe all of his gutters over here, and we're gonna have to figure out why he did that. Usually there's a reason for that. So what we might do is trench a new line out on grade or something, whatever, but I have a feeling there's a reason he did that.
Yeah, that's it. So this is the Richboro house. Join us for a nice, we're gonna start with a couple bathroom renovations and then got plenty of other stuff to do as well, so.
You gotta get your checkbook ready.
Yeah.